rhythm of the music and the chanting, and then the kids dancing, it's so emotional, just so powerful. The music to begin with is so therapeutic, so rhythmic, the chanting, it's unbelievable. This is the original dance of Black Panther. Wow! We made it kind of on the outskirts of town. This is where the performance will be. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Whoa, they're ready for us. The rhythm of the music and the chanting, and then the kids dancing, it's so emotional, just so powerful. The music to begin with is so therapeutic, so rhythmic, the chanting, it's unbelievable. And Mo was mentioning that the Black Panther was inspired by this is the original dance of Black Panther. This is so cool. How much energy and how much, that is unbelievable. So fast. Oh yeah. And I mean, you can see that so many dances. Whoa. Wow. So many dances have been inspired by this is the original dance. I love the music in the background. It's truly impressive, unbelievable, remarkable. The athleticism and just the cultural impact. It's stunning, and I think they're getting progressively harder and harder with their stunts. Woo! It's thrilling. And they really know how to make the crowd, liven up the crowd. I think there's no doubt that in Cote d'Ivoire I've seen the best cultural dances and traditions I've ever seen. The dances are unbelievable. Wow! That was absolutely spectacular. And to just put things in perspective of how even more impressive it is, they're dancing in bare feet, they're barefoot, and this is a rocky ground that they're landing in. Their athleticism, their performance, and so many dances around the world have been inspired from this original West African dance right here in Korogo. It's influenced the world of dancing. It's such an honor to be here, and we should never forget where these dances originate. I'm blown away. And the chanting, it was so it's unlike anything you'll ever experience. It's just truly special. what an experience.